I've been putting it off for a long time because I had to remove the limescale from this machine and the Nespresso coffee machine. Every time I do this, it takes hours and hours because I never get it right. I take each piece, wash it. The next step is to take the product, put it in the container. Then fill it with water up to a line marked on the container. And it looks like this. It makes a click, which means that the container is securely attached. There are two buttons on top. One for espresso coffee and the other for long coffee. Take a jug or any container with a capacity of half a liter and place it on the water outlet. Press both buttons together for about 5 seconds. The lights will flash for a while. Then you have to press the button on the right for long coffee. Then the water with the product will flow through. Once all the water with the product has flowed through, remove the container and fill it with the water with the product that just came out of the machine. Put it back in and start all over again. Once you have done both times, rinse it with water to remove any residue from the product. Fill the container with clean water up to the mark. Let it all drain and repeat the process again with clean water. When I got to this point, something that always happens to me happened. I felt like throwing this machine in the trash and buying another one. The limescale removal light kept flashing non-stop. There was no point in turning it off. Pressing both buttons didn't help. How did I solve this problem? I left the lights flashing, opened the capsule compartment to cool it down faster, and left. When I came back, the lights had gone out and the machine turned off by itself. I pressed both buttons at the same time for 5 seconds, and miracle. The green light flashed briefly and stopped. And I was able to make coffee normally. So that's it. Until next time, bye.